Excel offers two primary orientations: portrait and landscape. Choose the orientation that best suits your content and allows for easy readability. Select an appropriate paper size for your printout, such as letter, legal, A4, or custom sizes. This choice ensures that your data fits neatly on the page. Set margins to define the amount of space between the content and the edges of the paper. Adequate margins are essential for readability and aesthetics. Excel enables you to add headers and footers to printed pages. These can include page numbers, titles, dates, and custom text, enhancing the professionalism of your documents. Adjust the scale of your content to fit within the chosen paper size. You can choose to shrink or expand the content to fit on one page or multiple pages. Decide whether you want to print grid lines and row, column headings for better data reference. These options are available in the Page Layout tab. Specify the exact area you want to print by defining a print area. This helps avoid printing unnecessary data and ensures a more focused output. Always use Excel's Print Preview feature to ensure that the content appears as expected. This allows you to spot potential layout issues and make adjustments as needed. Excel printing and page setup are vital skills for any Excel user. They bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds, enabling effective communication, documentation, and analysis of data.